Hi everybody, welcome back to Model Car Minions Workshop. Just a quick update to let you see what's come in the last few days. Got some shop cards in. Papa Dan's Models 2, new shop card, thanks Dan. That's a really cool looking card. And along with that came Caleb's Corner. Thanks very much for that, Caleb. That's a really cool card. And we got one from Big Steve, Lakeside Model Works in California. A really nice note on the back. Thanks very much, Steve, for that. Thank you all. I'll add those to my collection. And also I got a few kits in the past week or so. It was my birthday recently and my neighbor got me this kit. He saw me doing an egg plane, I guess, and this isn't really an egg plane. It's what I guess would be called a super deformed. They call it a Cute Plane Kit series. The Tiger models, F4U Corsair, and I believe that the wings actually fold up on this kit, so that's going to be a fun kit and cool little build. Looking forward to doing that. And then Michaels has had some 50% off coupons, so I made a little trip out there, but I still have a few kits left. Got the AMT 70.5 Camaro. I know this, I've heard that this kit can be a challenge, but I really like the body style. I opened it up and all the pieces, except for the clear and the chrome of course, are molded in bright orange. So it's going to take a fair bit of primer to cover that all up, but I have plans for that in the future build. And also I got some coupons. I picked up a second Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It's got some interesting parts to it, and it's a fun build. I can do a lot with that. So I thought it'd be nice to have an extra one of them on the shelf as well. So thanks very much for watching. More updates to follow. Stay tuned. Bye for now.